grey bike and I sing like a chaffinch. I have a small dance hall up Soldier Hill Way, and known as the fellow who owns the small dance hall and freewheels down the hill on his bicycle grey. I have a large wife who looks out like a turnip. We have 7 children, or perhaps it's 8, and 3 old blue squirrels who dance in the cornfield, and a big old black raven who sits on our gate. Each morning I read through the daily newspaper and color the pictures while I drink my tea. The thatch on my roof is now falling to pieces. My greatest concern is it don't fall in on me. Each late afternoon I practice hard on my bagpipes and stink out my cottage while boiling up tripe. The apricot trees in the 6-acre paddock tell me that their fruit is now squishy and ripe. I've got my false teeth in a glass in the bathroom, and my garden goes down there to where the road curves. And I know that you want me to end this folk ballad, 'cause the lyrics and tune really get on your nerves. Da dum da da dum dum.